Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to enable microphone icon on your keyboard so you can use voice typing on any Android phone. So let's get started. First, open any app where the keyboard pops up like messages or notes. Open any chat. Tap on the text field to bring up the keyboard. Now tap the gear icon on the keyboard toolbar. If you don't see the gear icon, long press the comma or settings key. Inside settings, locate the option called voice typing or voice input. I can see it right here. Tap on it. Make sure Google voice typing or voice input is turned on. If you don't see these options, go to settings. Scroll down until you see the option called general management and tap on it. Then go to keyboard list in default. Here you can manage your keyboards. Enable Gboard or Samsung keyboard. Also enable Google voice typing. Now go back to your keyboard. So here you should see the microphone icon either on the top right of the keyboard or by long pressing the comma or spacebar. Tap it to start voice typing instantly. Speak clearly and naturally, your voice will be converted to text in real time. You can even say things like comma or new line to format your message. If it still does not show, make sure microphone permission is allowed. Go to settings and then tap on apps. Find Gboard or Samsung keyboard and tap on it. Then go to permissions and from here allow microphone. And that's how you enable and use the microphone on your Android phone for voice typing. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe for more tech tips and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.